Want to look on that zine? Just look, and tell me if that shit right there, sir, no look creepy as hell. Top of the morning to you. It might not be morning when you see this, but it's morning for me. It's actually almost 9 o'clock, but I keep the lights on in the house. My little vibe already. I like to feel like it's night when I'm doing my thing. Well, I go on everything jiggy. I'm having some breakfast right now. Let's see what's bracking. You got some eggs right there. You got some dumplings right there, and some plantains. Nothing too heavy, just a little morning breakfast. My usual of cookies with donut. Them done. Only thing they have left in my snack bag is a bun, and that might be for lunch. So I'm gonna just make some breakfast this morning. Oh, how can I forget? Of course, I have my tea. Can't forget my cup of tea. What has been happening? Not much. I made ackee and saltfish Saturday. Here's a picture of that. I also made a really beautiful Sunday dinner. Here's a picture of that. That's what I've been having from Sunday. Because I made enough to last me throughout the week. So I did some fried chicken, baked chicken, made some vegetables, cabbage, carrot, sweet pepper, and tomato. And yeah, mix that up and put my little secret thing on it where when you eat it tastes like I ate fruits. That I will just say that. Okay? Can't go now go to my style just yeah, it was lovely. It still is lovely. The vegetables are done and I probably need to make some more. But I have enough rice and I think I have about boom excuse me, well 4 pieces of chicken. So yeah. And about to have this little breakfast right now, So you are all up to speed on what has been taking place. Oh. Guess what happened yesterday? I never write the short film last week, but I wrote it this week. Yesterday. Yeah, I do it. It's not a long thing because, I wanted to start off small. It's really just a first draft. So what we need to do now is just go over it and tighten up some little things. It's not even all that long. It's just like 2 pages. 2 pages, but it's I think it's powerful. I can't wait to film it and put it out. Yeah, so I got eat the food there now before it get cold. Circle back like a turtle back. This one I dumpling them just come out like a hot, bruv. This is what is left after the feast. I honestly never know I honestly never think I was going to finish the dumplings. But look, I one left. Instead of the bun, we might have this for lunch. It all depends on how I'm feeling later on. I do have bread, but as you know with me, I'm not gonna make it a habit. But the bread stale. As a matter of fact, it come like the bread did stale before it even reached the expiration date. Them say it expire the 8th, and it did start taste kind of sour from like maybe like 2, 3, 4 days before that. But it's still I eat it though. Because I'm not gonna let my money waste. But it tastes sour. Like somebody frig up the baking process on that one. By the time I realize it, it's too late for me even think about if it carry back. I think they're like halfway through it. And I thought it was what I was drinking that was making it taste sour, but turns out it's the bread itself sour. I think I need to throw it away too. Because today was the 9th. And I still have it. But as I say, if you see no blue bread, I good to go see him here. Yeah, I will chill a little bit, let my food digest. I don't plan on doing anything crazy today. Been keeping a close eye on the sweet sops. But one of them they get picked. But the one who did the right as well. As he get picked. But see the next one here, See the next one right here, I wonder if I pick the one there or just lefty. Cause if I snooze again, me lose again. I feel like we left it on the tree look a bit there. Even though it look like a fit, like you're ready for pick and you can just put it on and make it right. I'm trying to snooze again. Make it stay here, man. Get picker just so. More dip on the tree. I'm gonna go back and tidy up the script a little bit. Next time I go back on him, I go through and see if there's anything I can add to the dialogue or take away from it. Not even know when I go call yet. So that is that. You know, so as much as my day, so just a chill little bit. It's like my mind just always a race. I try and like figure out what can I do for content? What can I do for content? What can I do for content? When I think it's good in that, that's why life kind of put me in this position right now for those. Like it say, yo, chill, bro. Just relax. Just relax. But YouTube me do, you know. YouTube is the main source of income for me. So if I don't do nothing, then I won't be able to pay my bills. If I can't pay my bills, then I'll be out on the streets. And if I'm out on the streets, then it's gonna be a thing. And be, oh my God, get me to crazy now. But at the same time, it kind of would be good content. There I go, thinking again. Just can't chill and relax. Oh boy, it's like my mind always I think for make content for uno. That's how my mind is always on. So even when I'm supposed to be just relaxing, just chilling, my mind the over one part I say, yo, we need to hurry up and get back to making content, everything in the life I say right now, just relax, brother. Just rest, just chill. But I can't because I need money. This is why I hate money, bro. Because I need it for everything. I just want the other little place that we can, you know what I mean? Take a break and money is not an issue. You know, yeah, brother. I don't know, boy. That fly has been sitting there for possibly more than 30 minutes. I'm gonna have a brief conversation with him and let you know how it turns out. I said what needed to be said. You didn't like the conversation, so you run. Huh? One piece? I still bread this, you know, people. I'm gonna throw it now, like a sandwich maker thing to toast up the bread. I don't know if because of the other things were in there, but in a taste as sour. Mark you, it is expired, and I'm having it. I guess this is how it's gonna be consumed. I got throw in a sandwich thing and toast it up and eat it. I'm not gonna make it waste. Here one get sorted out, but may I wait a little bit. May I try see if I can make it stay like until about Friday for pull it out, wash it, go barber, and then make my hair breathe a little bit. Then maybe next week we'll do it up again. But I know for sure you want to wash because it has scratch on them. But I just try hold out for as long as I possibly can make the roots go and get, you know? Make it just go and grow in there. Because, you see me? Leftover breakfast. Hey, fly, yeah. What up, Skull? Oh, for the people who want to know what the Forex thing, how it go. I try to screenshot my account and show now what's going on. Yeah, you see that? So that's it. You see the thing with Forex, it teaches you a lot of patience, you know. It's crazy the amount of patience that you have to have. Especially when you wait on certain moves in the market. Because the market don't move when you're even moving, brother. The market move when it feels like. But from Monday, Sunday coming into Monday, there hasn't been a lot of action in the market. I'm thinking that they're waiting on some news, some US consumer index news that's coming out tomorrow to you know, make some moves. For being at the trade and sit down and just like nothing now go on, you have to just wait. You gotta get patience, bro. It teaches you patience. Now I was a patient person from before, you know. Under certain circumstances I can just easy back and chill, but this bring on an extra level of patience where you have to really just develop and sit down upon your toe hand them until it is time to do what you're supposed to do. But I think we put on a shirt, but then the place hot. A shirt thing then not gonna make no sense, you know. Bare chested way I do it, you see me? Oh, you see that? Ooh. I checked my weight a while ago, I'm 187, which is good. Good range. And guess because me eat and them thing there. I'll check you again. Which I'm thinking I'm probably gonna be like 185, 184. And it's good. I like that. That's the weight range where I want to be. And according to my height thing, that's the nice weight range for somebody my height. People always think I'm short. No, at the video I fool you. Alright? I'm about 6'1", 6'2". Okay? Yeah, about 6'1", 6'2". So I'm a tall guy. I'm a tall guy, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm a tall guy. Wanna see him out there, so? If me go out there, go murder him now. I'm wicked, not true. Tell him say nothing come in our house, brother. Out a door phone, in our trees, grasses, all of them things there. Anything inside? Pick him now him want to look on that zine. Just look, and tell me if that shit right there, sir, gonna look creepy as hell. Eh? Maybe it not gonna look creepy too, but for how me I see it, look like somebody head, and they hit maddy and they turn up right there, so this up. What? It's a dinner, people, you know? Some of my leftover from what, Sunday dinner, and today Tuesday now. We got some baked chicken, rice and peas, and the beautiful vegetables, you know? That's what we busting now. I take in Razor Blade short film. Razor, big up yourself, youth. Yeah, man, we out there.